Hello everyone. Once you decided to create an online store, the next thing you decide about which platform you will use for creating your store. There is a lot of platforms available to create your online store. Some popular store creating tools are Shopify and WordPress. We must know about the difference between the Shopify and WordPress. Actually, WordPress is a blogging software, right? Initially, this platform is created for creating a blogs. After that, they upgraded to multipurpose. Shopify created for only creating online stores. E-commerce business made simple through Shopify. Why we prefer Shopify compared to WordPress? If you decided you want to create an online store, an e-commerce store, Shopify gives you very lot of advantages than WordPress. In this video, we will see about that. The first thing between Shopify and WordPress, the first important point is the coding skills. Shopify stores are very easy to create. They are just like a drag and drop, but actually they are not like a drag and drop, but that's very simple. You don't need any coding skills to create your online store by using Shopify. You don't need any technical knowledge for using Shopify. Compared to Shopify, in WordPress, you need some basic skills. Because WordPress stores, you need to install in your hosting platform and configure some themes, plugins. So you need some basic skills. But in Shopify, everything are inbuilt. You can create your online store. In 30 minutes, you can start selling. So this is the main difference between Shopify and WordPress. In Shopify, you don't need any advanced coding skills. But in WordPress, you need just a minimum coding skills to create your store. The second one, sales tools. Shopify made this purpose. Shopify made for e-commerce purpose. So all sales tools are inbuilt within the Shopify. Let's see here. Shopify App Store. Shopify is a core platform. The applications are extra extensions in the Shopify store. There are a lot of applications available in Shopify store. Most of them free and some are premium applications. See the categories. There are hundreds of applications: dropshipping, suppliers, print on demand, place store design, marketing related apps, sales and conversion. Lot of applications available in Shopify App Store. So we can easily install these applications in our store. Compared to WordPress, Shopify had very best sales tools. They are easy to use. On the other side, WordPress have a lot of plugins. In Shopify, we calling it apps, applications. In WordPress, we calling it plugins. WooCommerce is a plugin. It's useful to create our online store. WooCommerce is not a theme, WordPress theme. It's not a WordPress theme, it's a plugin. In WooCommerce, we have add more extra plugins to simplify our sales process through our store. This is the main difference. The third point, hosting fees. If you choose Shopify, you don't need to pay any hosting fees. Instead of hosting fees, you pay a monthly subscription fees to use the Shopify platform. The pricing starts from $19, I think. No, $29. It's the basic plan. Then the Shopify business plan. Actually, is the three types of plans. Okay, so $29, $79, $299. We can't use Shopify for free. Maybe they will offering a free trial. This is a trial purpose only. Shopify is subscription based tool. But we don't need any hosting because Shopify will provide that. So you don't worry about the hosting accounts for your store. On the other hand, WordPress is a open source. We can use the WordPress platform completely free. It's an open source platform, but we need a hosting account, web hosting account, using to store our website files, right? Store online store files are in a hosting account. So we need a hosting account. This is the important difference between Shopify and WordPress. The next point, store security external. We already know Shopify have its own hosting, so we don't need any external hosting for our store. So Shopify provide you best loading speed and all essential security for your stores. You don't worry about the hackings and some unwanted malware attack or anything. You don't worry about that. Shopify will take care of everything. You just concentrate on your sales and ad campaigns. That's all. But in WordPress, not offering these store security features. And the open source software is a platform to create your store. That's all. But we can add lot of excellent plugins to protect our store and make a better loading speed and all the security features. We will make it through the plugins. See here, this is the plugin directory. There are thousands of plugins available. We can use some important plugins in our store. It can improve our website loading speed and all security features in our store. These are the main difference between Shopify and WordPress, guys. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you on next video. Until then, bye.